Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create custom Windows shortcut. So if you're tired of clicking through menus, here I'm going to show you how you can create your own custom shortcuts in Windows. So you can open apps, folders, or files instantly with just one click. So to do this, you can just choose an app that you want to create the shortcut. For example, I'm going to go with CapCut. You can just right click on it and then go to properties. And in here, you will see the shortcut key box. You can just change the none in here by choosing the combination. For example, you can go with Control Alt and then I. I'm going to go with I. And then you can just click on apply and click on OK. So I'm going to click on or press on Control Alt and I. As you guys can see, now CapCut will be automatically open. So that's how you can create your custom shortcut in Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.